Okay, I got it working. So now we can both be heard. And it's recording my screen. Ah!
My bad. Get out of there.
I didn't even have time to load in, Jesus Christ. Bag.
My bad, gang.
Ah.
I'm naming this.
Wait, do you think the Ragey Glove works with our Holy?
I don't see why not. Unless it says melee hit.
Let me see. Ooh, I can up level it up again. Yippee. No, I can't. Why can't I level you up? Oh, because I don't got the
No
levels.
XD.
Yeah, no. But yeah, no, I.
Alright, it should be completely functional now.
Stop taking my levels, goddammit.
Oh, a control click on it. On the level number. No, on the target level. Look, it goes up by 64. Control click and right click. You can just go up to like 128.
It keeps taking away my levels back into the thing.
Then
What?
you gotta set the target level. Control click on the target level number.
I don't see. Oh.
It's the one on the left. Hey. I set it to 128.
Same here.
Alright, now the inner one is completely powered wirelessly.
Jesus Christ.
And now I can take the entire thing
In a box. It's
in a
gone now.
box. And I can move the entire thing. I think we should have this upstairs because it's just fun to play with.
Yeah, no.
But I'm going to move the entire thing. We're going to move it to a corner.
Although, it's thundering outside. Jesus.
Yeah. And then what is the funny thing you wanted to do?
I wanted to mess around with the quarry from. I wanted to mine out underneath the space, but I couldn't figure this out. And also, I wanted to get the shield projector going up all around our base.
Why?
It prevents mobs from spawning with no lighting, if I'm right.
Hmm.
It also prevents mobs from walking through it.
Huh. How much power does it take?
It can store 1.2 million.
Uh-huh.
So, probably a fair bit. I'd probably say at most a million tick.
Uh, what happened to the lighting over here?
Huh.
Spatial kind of breaks lighting. I think there's the reload shaders. Maybe. Nope, that didn't fix it.
Yep. Nope.
I know there's a reload lighting button. Let's see, quality. Or you can just turn off shadows and turn them back on and probably fix it.
Or just. What if I update the blocks?
I don't think it's those blocks that need to be updated. I think it's the ones that are in the sky.
Oh no, when I break the blocks that have the shadow on them and replace them, they're good.
Oh.
See right here?
Then why don't we just do that?
So
Did that fix it?
Yep.
Alright, well then let's do it at a different block so we can bane my
Oh yeah.
move. Oh, I might have to go. I think my mom's here. I think I heard her.
If she is, I'm gonna go ahead and shut down the server
Alright.
because I have to clean and I don't want my room heating up constantly while I'm doing
Yeah.
that.
I might be right back though. I don't know.
Yeah, I'll give you a
Even-
second.
So I'll let you know if I
Yeah.
gotta go or not.
Yeah, but I'll stop the recording.
Cool.
If we are. But test video number 1. We are becoming YouTubers, big boy.
I doubt it.
I doubt it.
Oh, wait. Let me just
No.
check outside because that might not be her. Be her neighbors. One sec. I'm gonna deafen.
Okay. Alone at the edge of the universe. Humming a tune. I want to light this candle. Maybe. To not light or to light. Yeah, I'm gonna light this candle because I want a smell.
Nope, I'm good.
Neighbor,
Yep.
I'm lighting a candle.
Okay. What
Yeah.
flavor?
Vanilla. Ow.
Good job.
The lighter exploded. Not actually, but you know when it doesn't flick, but it releases the gas.
And then you lighted the gas that was.
Yeah, I burnt my
It's-
finger. I burnt the hairs off my finger slightly. Ow.
Field projector tier 4. Alright. Entity that matches this filter can pass through.
Yeah, I'm guessing we can set ourselves to be able to pass through and nothing else.
Entity that matches this filter cannot pass and gets damaged. Or just can't pass.
I'm gonna go grab a drink real quick. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, you're in.
Should be going, but what's the range?
It just says it can do 32,000 blocks.
Can what?
It says it can
Okay,
make
on there.
32,000. It can make 32,000 shield projection blocks, I think. I think that's how it's measured. Just how many blocks it can make. Oh, go feed me. I want strawberry. Where's my strawberry? There, my strawberry. No, this
I'm
watermelon.
disconnected from the server. Okay.
Nice job.
I think I clicked the button and it got angry.
You click
There
the
we go.
server get angry button.
Maybe. That might have been it.
We ain't got no strawberry. God damn it!
What?
I ain't got any strawberry flavoring from my water.
Well, damn. Unfortunate.
It is. Now I have to drink plain water. It's good for me.
Oh, the horrors.
Not really. It's slightly annoying. I was wanting strawberry water.
Don't we need some kind of like setter? Like it needs to.
Maybe, but I don't know which one it would be. There ain't one
Or
specifically for shield projecting.
shape card.
Maybe.
This card represents an area that can be used by the shield or builder.
Oh, that would make sense. Do the circle one.
That circle one. What circle one?
Oh, is it just shape?
Yeah, it's just shape card. Okay.
You can do
What
circles.
does the void mean? This card represents an area dimension. What's the difference between void and not void?
I think it's primarily for the builder, like to say, I want this hollow. Maybe.
Oh, so we shouldn't do that.
No, I think we should do that for the shield, so it's just not a full block of shield all around our base.
Well, we can pass through it though. So
Can we
click on.
place blocks in it?
Can only do this on a builder. By the shield or it says by the shield or builder. Sneak right click on a builder to start mark mode, then right click to mark 2 corners of one area. Do we not do this on a builder? It's just
It by builder it means click it. You have to start it with the block.
I can't
The
do it on the.
the projector needs to be or it needs to be like right next to it. I think or something like that.
And
Shift
what are
three.
the shield templates?
Shield templates. What?
Yeah, blue shield template. This block can be used to build a shield. A set of template same color should. I'm gonna make some and see what it does. Well, damn.
Can't pass through them.
Well, yeah, that's the template. It's not the actual shield yet. But it should touch this. So now.
Worst case, we Google it.
Yeah.
The hell is that? That means the door is open, which means the cat can get out. What means my grandmother was missing nothing.
Machine forms a shield out of adjacent template blocks on type of mod and do various things to the shield. We need to read more, man. Alright, smart wrench.
Should I wake up my kitty
Smart
cat?
wrench.
Oh, I already did.
Good job.
Please don't cough up a hairball
Ah!
on the bed.
I did it.
You got it?
Yeah.
I have kitty cat now. Oh, big stretch? You need a big stretch?
Okay.
You distinguished lady. I'm taking you. You're mine now. I've stolen someone's cat. It likes me more. My kitty.
And then
No.
pass players. So
Oh, I can pass through.
everything can pass, or everything, it's solid to everything except.
For players.
Yeah, but now it's solid to everything because the players one is out.
I kind of
But
bounce on
move
it.
this one down.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now it's solid to only everything but players.
Okay, and you can use a shape card for this too, I think.
Okay.
And it seems to be completely unbreakable.
Yeah.
How much power is it consuming?
Try the other.
It's consuming 10 FE.
Dang, that's a lot.
I feel like I should be able to damage my way through it.
Does it work on diagonals? Probably not.
Does it need to be touching at all?
Think so, yeah.
Let's test.
Yeah, nothing.
Does
not work on the diagonals.
Does it work with a shape card? Have you tried that yet?
Shape card doesn't do anything. It
Can
says
I
it has
see
to be on builder.
Can I see the shape card? Thank you.
This card represents an area that can be used by the shield or builder. So you right click on a builder to start mark mode, then right click to mark 2 corners of a wanted area.
Okay, could you put it in the ME system?
Really cheap. You can just craft one. I want to see how much damage this does.
Oh, I get it.
All right, so now it damages players. Ow. Ow. I am in pain.
Okay, I got it. I figured out how it works.
Huh.
You have to start the shape selection on the builder, and then
And
you
it's
can
going to build.
just put it in the thing.
All right, give me the shape card then. I want to
It's
try it.
already in the thing. It's already in the shields projector.
Where? Oh. Hmm. Okay.
And let's try using it in the shield projector. Ooh,
Did you do the wrong corners, or is this as big as it can be?
or did it?
Because it's only these. It's only the one layer.
Okay, so okay, I see what it's doing. Put it back in.
I select the first corner. Go here. Now select the second corner. I'll go up a few blocks. Hello, Enderman. Ow.
That Enderman had something coming out of its mouth.
This. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, it did a completely solid area. We need it to
Yeah.
be
So yeah,
hollow.
now it has to be. Yeah, it's got to be void. I think.
Uh,
Oh, it is using so much energy.
how much is it?
Oh, because it can only output 30 FE a tick to every side.
Oh, it can only output 30,000 FE a tick.
Yeah, 30,000.
I've always wondered what causes that limitation.
Input. So
Is there?
it only has a certain IO.
What if we up
Unless it's in
infuse?
config.
What if we
Yeah,
inf
infusing it makes it consume less
Okay, then let's infuse it.
and do more damage.
Infuse it.
You do it. I'm trying to figure out how to get the not bad one. Hey, I need it.
I need it in the infuser.
Give me a second.
9.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna do it on a small area just in case it does void blocks.
Or at least in an area where there ain't no important blocks. And we could do multiple
Where
shield.
is it? Oh, it's in my inventory.
We could do multiple shield projectors to do a wider area.
Yeah, you could. Alright, boom. I kind of forgot to make it
Go
tall.
So we
Doesn't
know
look
it
like it
does.
voided anything though.
That's good. Oh, don't slap at me, Misty. Don't. No claws. Bad kitty.
Okay. Still solid.
I think we just have to set it
So,
to hollow in the thing.
is there a option for that?
Let me see.
Default texture. Oh, you can make it mimic a block. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Make it invisible.
Do we still have the regular shape card?
No, that it's used in it. Light is blocked by the shield.
Yeah, you can have the shield block light.
But you can make it mimic a block, so you just have like oh
Oh, got it.
yeah, now we just have a wall of dirt. Got what?
Give me like 30 seconds with I'm taking the shape card out.
Okay. And worst case, we just have 4 of them, so we have 1 for each wall.
Yeah, no, I just have to set it to hollow in the builder.
Oh,
Now try.
I gotta hit it with a wrench. Yep.
Yep.
Nice.
We could also set it to be a sphere or whatever we really want.
I don't think we need a sphere, because then we'd have to make it much bigger.
But it'd be funny. It'd look really cool.
Wait, what if we do luminous glass? Can it even do that? No.
Not all. Wait, did you reach?
Yeah, I made it mimic luminous glass. And it didn't.
Didn't work.
Yes.
Although the regular blue shield color looks pretty cool.
And we can change the color if we want.
Yeah, no, I said to that color.
Transparent. Oh.
Yeah,
Cool.
you can
I like
see.
that.
Yeah, and I like this color, don't you?
Mhm.
You can also make it a darker one if you want. But
Yeah, that or like a darker red. But red's for evil.
we ate hell.
Red's for evil.
Oh, sorry, kitty. Kitty cat, I'm sorry, kitty cat. You went upside down, and I apologize.
Kitty cat. Should we make it one bigger than our base?
I think we should make it, I was thinking we have it come out to, like, the edge. Like, you know the little trench around it? I was thinking we have it there.
Yeah, that's one bigger.
So it looks like our base is cut out of the world itself.
I'm just gonna make it go up for now so we can see it easier.
Yeah. Honestly, make it go up a few hundred. Honestly, make it go up quite a bit. And down, because I don't know if mobs can spawn inside the shield, though.
Maybe.
Worst case, we get reflector pylons all throughout. Hide reflector pylons.
Oh. Oh. It's still. Oh, do I have to set it to solid again?
It
Or,
ran out of
hollow?
power. It ran out of power because we.
I think I'm disconnecting because I can't click on that anymore.
You might be.
Move.
You left.
Are you moving?
You left the game. It was not happy. Oh god. Why is it solid again?
Yeah, I think you'd have to set it to hollow every time you do it in the builder.
Yeah.
So you can't just right click on the builder anymore. There you go.
Okay, it's hollow again now. You're gonna need to rejoin though.
Yeah, I am. Bye, brother. Immediately bubble.
Yeah, it should be good now.
Turn off your computer and make sure it powers down. They got me. Oh, good power. Never did come through with it. Some bullshit. Why are you throwing ender purples? We need those. We don't have enough.
You have 24,000.
We don't have enough.
We can get them by the 1,000.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh. There's some blue in here.
Slightly, yeah. Wait, what happens if we make it black light?
Wait, no,
Oh,
you didn't set it to be big enough.
it's only using 23,000 RF.
That's not a lot.
That's not even one side. Oh, yep. I'm one off. Whoops.
You're literally one block exactly off. What if we just set it to be transparent so we can't see it? 'Cause
All
I
right.
think we
What's
could
a good
do.
Y value? I say 100. That's 20 blocks above our base. Nope, that's shorter than it is now. Okay. Right now it's at 105. Or
I'd say
right now it's at 104.
I say about here
120.
130.
Well,
Actually,
we
yeah.
also want to have enough room to go down too.
So yeah, 120. And we're also gonna infuse this, which is going to decrease its power consumption.
True. All right. So there. And how far down? Bedrock.
Bedrock.
All right.
And it won't do the
Um,
shield unless there's a block available in there, I think.
so how do you set it to
Hollow. In
hollow?
the builder, click the question mark when it's in there, and you'll see box
Yeah,
hollow.
hollow. You can set the dimensions, but I'm not going to.
Also, I want to see what the circle looks like, the sphere,
All right.
to see how.
Top dome. Oh, you can do a top dome.
Oh, that's what we
Bottom
want.
dome, sphere, cylinder, capped cylinder,
I'd do it.
prism. Can you do a prism?
I'd say top.
Taurus? We can do a Taurus?
We can do a ton of things, dude.
Tone, heart, composition, scan. Alright, we're gonna try top dome though. Hollow top dome. How does it know?
I don't.
Okay, now select first corner. Guess I'm just gonna first corner. Now select second corner. I guess it's just gonna do it from tangent.
I may do it differently.
Just do tangent.
That
Why
needs,
isn't it hollow or a dome?
because it needs to be reset every time. We went over this.
I just did that though,
No, you don't
and
need
I'm
to reset.
disconnecting.
You don't need to reset the parameters every time, though.
We needed to do the parameters anyway because it was.
You set the parameters, then in the machine you set it to dome hollow.
Oh, you have to do it after.
Yes, you set the.
Oh. Okay.
It should be set to that.
I disconnected again.
I'm setting it to top dome hollow.
I want to try Taurus after that. That'd be cool. But we'll just make another one so we don't have to keep redoing it.
Well, you don't have to. Once you set the shape, you can just change the shape again. And you don't have
True.
to reset the parameters.
How would it even do a Taurus? Like, based off of what?
Okay, well, anyway, it's set correctly now, at least it should be.
Alright, I'm gonna whack it.
Oh my god.
Yo! We don't have enough. Does it not have enough blocks, or what? Because it doesn't reach the edge.
Like, check its power draw.
Well, power draw, it would just go down. Yeah, it's fine. It's doing even less.
So let's infuse it real quick. Take the shield
Alright.
out. Take the void card out.
Does that give it more blocks, though? I don't think it does.
It might.
Um,
No, wait, about to try. Just stick it.
Using bonus, reduce power consumption and increase damage. Yeah, it doesn't increase the blocks. We're gonna need a lot of those.
We have over 1,000.
Well, not enough.
Place on the flux point so it can get power.
600 ME. Oh no. I remember doing this in the end. It was. Yeah, let's just spawn the dragon. Not so we can get its drops. So we can get obsidian.
Because funny.
Punched it.
Still recording this
Okay.
in fucking 4K. No, actually, I think I'm just doing 180p. Whatever my display is.
Yeah.
At least that's what I'm probably doing. I don't know. I'm digging it.
Almost done.
Sorry. I scared my kitty cat and she nearly killed me.
How dare you?
I know I'm a sinner for that.
Ooh, there's dark mode. Good about that.
Oh, she purring.
It's done. Yay.
It's done. No, no, no. Stay in my lap, kitty. You know you want to. Oh, she left. Let's see that done.
Boop.
Yeah, I just don't think it has enough blocks.
We can just reduce the height.
Well, actually, let's. I want to see something. Let me set it to sphere real quick.
I think we'll just make a smaller sphere.
It may be a
Yeah, I
thing.
disconnected again. Why do I keep disconnecting from this?
I
It looks perfectly, and then I just die.
I think it's because just how many blocks it's generating.
Yeah.
Also, do we have it set to hollow? Because did I forget to?
Yeah, it's hollow on the inside.
Okay.
Otherwise, it'd be much smaller.
Yeah.
What? Why isn't there a tier 8? Also, how expensive is it to upgrade?
What do you mean?
Like, from tier 1 to tier 4?
Oh, it just cost a few. I think it cost some diamonds, 2 nether stars, and some obsidian. I think that's about it.
Alright.
It,
So,
it was
nothing.
It was nothing. It was first one was redstone, gold, and obsidian.
I'm
That's
making everything able to pass through just until... So maybe
second
it doesn't have
tier.
to do the hitboxes?
Yeah, second tier is a redstone blocks and obsidian. Is second tier. Tier 3 is obsidian and dimensional shard. Tier 4 is dimensional shard, nether stars, and obsidian.
Alright.
So not expensive
Is it,
whatsoever.
Did you set it to sphere?
Yeah.
Alright. Whack.
No, there we go.
Oh. It kind of works.
It's
It sort of worked. It reached the bottom.
Oh, is that the max? Is that its
Oh, it's actually
rates?
perfectly done.
It's full.
Yeah.
It's actually barely consuming any power. But you left the game again.
God damn it.
Your thing does not like the shield.
Uh-uh.
I think it just needs to
It
be
still says I can join.
Oh!
What?
The top thing cut it off. Did the sphere and just cut off the bottom.
Huh?
If you look at where like the center of the sphere is,
Hmm.
the top dome is cut off was cut off right about there. So it didn't run out of blocks, that was just the shape it made. Does that make sense?
No. I can't join because it can't find the server. Even though it says the server's right there. Hold on. Oh, there we go.
This is very hilarious.
For you, maybe.
Oh yeah, no, this is exceptionally funny for me.
Alright. So, what?
Yeah, look at where the center of the sphere is.
Like the center, the great circle?
Yeah. Right about here is where the dome cut off. The top dome.
Maybe.
So I think that's just how its shape was.
Well, then it would have run out of blocks, yeah. Because these are only 1 block tall, so if you just squish all of these up, it's the same amount of blocks.
I don't think this thing has run out of blocks yet, though. That's my thing.
Is there a way to see active? What does the void do? What does the shape card void do?
I don't know.
They're the same.
Yeah, but let's just keep it cubed for now. We're Minecraft.
E.
But we're gonna try the torrent, right?
Yeah. Let's try the
Give me
Taurus.
the give me the wrench in case there is that cause.
Oh wait, it only has 2 dimensions instead of 3. We're gonna see how this goes. Ooh.
Oh. Oh, I see what's crashing you.
Oh, this is cool. What?
Default worker worn 23. Well, 23 worn. Essential ICE IP address failed to send packets of 90 bytes. Just over and over and over again.
Okay.
So when it first starts up, it's failing to send you 90 byte data packets. I'm assuming. Oh, it's failing to send you the blocks that were just generated. I think.
Maybe.
Because it's just thousands upon thousands of 90 byte packets to a random IP and an overflow
Well,
exception.
I think it might just be it can't send any information from the server to me because I'm connected.
But it happens just before you leave, and as soon as you leave, it stops.
Well, yeah, because I leave after I disconnect. It recognizes that I've left the server after I've actually left it, or after I've, yeah. All right, let's go cube.
Cube.
But Taurus is fun.
Taurus is fun. Taurus is probably for the builder mainly. We could build a scale model of a
The White House.
of a
What does
fusion.
scan do? I want to know what scan does.
Kitty cat. You're
Goodbye,
very
cruel
annoying.
world.
Does nothing.
Hmm.
It's doing nothing. That's honestly scarier than if it did something.
Have different shapes. Maybe it's because it's hollow and scan is only a flat line. I don't know. We're not gonna worry about it though. Box. Hollow.
Box.
Done.
Kitty cat, you are a good kitty cat.
That's good.
Oh, we ran out of blocks.
Oh. So either we lower it or we gotta have multiple.
Also,
I say we have multiple.
we need to do flat walls.
Yeah, we'd have to do flat walls. So we'd have to have 6 total. Well, I guess 5 if we don't do the bottom.
Well, actually, we could do just 4. One in each
Not
corner.
have a ceiling?
One in each corner. And
Well, what's the point of having it? This is out 1 extra.
yeah, and that if you put it back in, it may fix it.
It'll only be a ring of blocks, though. That's not nearly enough to cover that.
Fucking crap.
It's, it's not gonna work!
Fucking try anyway.
Okay.
32,000. I'm gonna look through the
I think we need to have multiple anyway. 100%.
how do you spell RF tools? I'm gonna see if there's like anything I can do with config and RF tools.
Okay. Still out 1 extra. Why? Is it out 1 extra on all sides? No. Why is it out 1 more on that side? Does it have to be an even number? Might have to be an even number. We gotta tell it to offset 1 more?
You left.
How did I leave this time but not last time?
How do I open config again?
Mods.
Mods. Ah. Okay, no. Okay, no. There's no config for RF tools.
Then it probably can't be changed.
That's gay.
The other. Wait. Um,
Do we even
yeah,
want to
there's not.
bother with his shield?
I don't know. It'd be fun. Let's just make 4. It's fine.
Or just make it shorter?
It still won't be enough to cover the other side. Plus, it'll make a random one here, and I don't want that.
Is there any way we can just prevent it from doing, like, the inside?
What do you mean from doing the inside?
Like, is there any way we could have the box not have a bottom?
Now, other than doing multiple.
Okay, I don't know how you're gonna do multiple, but I'll let
What do
you
you mean
figure.
how?
I don't know how
You,
you're
you
gonna do.
just how to not have multiple sides of a cube?
Hey, speak. Say something for the people.
Me or the cat?
The cat. Speak, please. Stop just purring and laying on my chest. Speak for the people. Can you hear that?
Nope.
She's gently biting my microphone.
That's nice.
The little mongrel. Look at her. She's beautiful. And she's a mongrel. I'll be back in a second. I gotta go take a piss. Piss break.
If I make it mimic, what does this do? Here. Mother's calling me.
Yeah, boy.
What?
I nothing. You do gay. Oh,
Oh,
where'd they go? Oh, it's just shield. You have invisible shield.
nope. I have mimic shield.
What's it
Trying to
mimicking?
see what actually works.
Dirt. Can you do the blackstone bricks? Yeah.
Oh man.
Does it do connected textures though?
Nope.
Can you do the assembler matrix frame?
Even if it did work, probably still wouldn't be connected texture.
No. Nope.
So,
No work. Grass?
our normal glass.
Let me know what. Yep, that does work.
What?
Non-connection texture though.
But why is it solid?
What do you mean?
Well, it's glass, but it's like solid glass.
You're using glass panes?
No, using glass blocks, but it's not see-through. Can you see through it?
Yeah, I can.
What? Let me show you on mine.
Okay, I'm watching. Huh. Reload your shaders, dude.
I don't think I have any shaders on.
Just hit R.
It's not R for me. But
Yeah, no. On my end, it does not look like that.
um, well, does this work for you?
No,
Not at all. Can't see it
not
at
at
all.
all. No. I think we should
What about
just.
this assembler matrix? Did you see that one?
No, I did not see that one either. Do you want to
I
just?
think we should just keep it invisible
I think we should.
or transparent.
Yeah, I think we should keep it transparent.
Yep.
Try black light. Try black. Do black. Ooh, you kind
Could be
of put.
cool. What if we had one black and then a red?
Black and a red.
Uh, Yeah, so
Wait,
that
actually, wait, set it to red real
it's
quick. I
like
want to see.
a warning one or a damaging one, and then just impassive.
Impassable, yeah.
But what?
Try
So
red
it's
real
red.
quick. Yeah.
Well, this is normal red, but
That's
like
it.
a dark red.
Ooh, kind of looks apocalyptic in here.
Ooh, let's try purple for the because it's base. It's the color of the base. Dark.
Ooh.
That's not it
No,
quite.
no, 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 no. Come in here. Come in here. Oh, it looks
Ooh,
different on your end. Turn on shaders, dude.
where am I shaded?
They're in options
Option.
video settings.
Toggle shaders. Okay.
Wait, dude, make sure you have the right shaders though. Just do
Options.
video
Video settings.
settings. Yeah.
Shader packs.
I have Complementary Unbound. Is the one I'm using.
We should have the same ones. We have the same mod pack.
There's four
It's
shaders in
not
this.
loading.
There's four shaders in this mod pack though.
Ah,
There's
it's not loading.
I just set it to Solar shaders to see what it looks like. Ugh. Ooh. Oh my god. S- Uh, Jesus. Dude, I'm gonna share my screen real quick. I want you to look at this. You looking, boy?
Ooh,
And this is what the
cool.
inside of the purple looks like.
Ooh, I like that.
So this is soulless shaders, I think.
Soulless.
Alright, when I go into video settings, it is soulless, soulless shaders, soulless. It's
Oh, I may have had shaders enabled. Because this is not the same.
yeah, but yeah, no, I do
Yeah, I
soul.
definitely had shaders on.
Yeah, I do soulless shaders. You're just gonna have to wait a second for your packs to load.
Yeah.
Man,
Nothing's loading. My
they,
mom's gonna be home in a minute though. She just called me.
okay. Yeah, but I just think this looks really pretty and ominous.
Hmm.
Although the quantum computers don't look as good. But at the same time, the overall vibe just feels so much better. Does that make sense?
Shaders just aren't loading.
I think your loading is just taking forever.
I think I'm crashing.
You might be crashing. You're crashing. I would not wait for the program to respond. I would have just closed it.
Oh. Nothing changed.
Well, you didn't change your shaders, I don't think.
Shaders.
I wouldn't do it to the keybind.
What's different? They open the same screen.
But it should be working. I don't know why yours isn't.
Interesting. Very interesting.
What's it look like during like just the regular day?
Not good. Now I'm getting attacked by a phantom. It's heard a click.
Ooh,
Oh, something changed.
can you see the
Ah, you
shaders?
just turned it to day.
Yeah.
Wait, I can click on stuff.
It's just you're not seeing
There's
it.
just no GUI.
That is odd.
What?
I think you need to leave Minecraft and
Yeah, there's
rejoin.
buttons. There's buttons. I can click on buttons. They do stuff.
I think you should leave and rejoin Minecraft, my boy.
Oh.
But I like the soul shaders. They feel much nicer. Don't you agree?
Yep. I mean, I can't see them yet, but
Yeah.
I saw on your end. It looked
Yeah.
nicer.
The text shaders aren't quite as good. The shaders for like a mechanism aren't quite as nice, and same with um, the quantum computer doesn't look quite as good. But overall, vibing impeccable. And in the shield, it looked fantastic.
Gotta go. See
What?
it.
Oh, you see ya?
Gotta go. Yeah.
I'm gonna shut down the server.